Fredegrund in 60 by 93 cm, rounds, special treatment version 3, designed by Lioba Brückner. We have version 1 gold crystals that we have sprinkled on the yellow butterflies and all the other yellow areas, including that sort of halo behind her, that half circle. Aside from that, for version 2, we now add morganite crystals that we have used to sprinkle on her hair and all other purple pink areas. So that is for version 2. And then finally for version 3 is sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on all of the dark blue areas. That would be right over here on the bottom, together with the background up top, and also on the stars on her cheeks.